Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, typically we do lawn care stuff, okay? I own a lawn care company where we treat turf grass and grow a really nice, pretty fescue, grow Bermuda grass as well. In my YouTube channel, I kind of spend time helping the DIY guy to use professional grade products and how to use them, when to use them, the whole 9 yards, so that you DIY guys who manage your own turf can have a really nice yard using professional grade products. Now, I'm in no way, shape, or form a irrigation pro. I'm not certified to do that. I'm not licensed or whatever. I have installed it in my yard at my office, and I'm back out here at my yard installing a little test area where I'm going to do some seeding, and I'm going to want to keep this watered. And in one of my first irrigation videos where I was doing it in my yard, I had a recommendation to use what's called a swing joint, okay? And so this is kind of information I learned from another irrigation guy, and I'm passing it on to you. These things are incredible. Until that irrigation guy told me about it, I had no idea they existed. And the reason I'm showing you this, if you're trying to DIY your own irrigation project, underground irrigation, this is a tip that will save you an extreme headache. I'm telling you, it will save you a big headache. So very easy. When you put your tee, your inline tee in, and your swing joint, these come in 6 inches or 12 inches, I believe. This is going to screw in, and so that'll be down to the ground like this, and then your irrigation head will simply screw onto that like so, and that will allow you to adjust the height of the head like so. See how that's going up and down, so that you can get it flush with the ground where it needs to be. Now here's where I made my mistake. Okay, I put the heads on, got everything done, buried them, covered the ditches and everything, and then turned the irrigation on for the first time. That's where I messed up. So today I want to show you the correct way to do it is to leave the head off. Okay, leave the head off and then leave just the spout sticking up, then turn your irrigation on, and it'll flush all the crap, debris, dirt, dust, little rocks, twigs, whatever that may have gotten in the pipe during the installation. So you can see right here how I've got this installed. It's a finished product, but I left this sticking up and the elbow pointed away from my ditch. That way when I turn the water on, I don't fill my ditch up with water or get any inside of it. I can throw the water away from my ditch. So you can see right there, it's flushing out the line pretty good. Once I do that for about a minute, I'm sure that everything's out of the line. I can cut the water off. All right, so there you go. Hope that helped. I know it saved me a huge amount of extra work here, because if you don't flush those lines out and you put your irrigation head on, the smallest little piece of debris can get in there and clog that up. And it happened to me a couple of times at the office. I learned my lesson, so I'm doing it this way this time so I don't get the headache. So most of your irrigation supply stores local to you would have these. If not, just Google irrigation swing joint and you'll have many options. So hey, appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this. If you want to hang around and subscribe to the channel, that's cool. We got lots and lots of yard stuff to do. We're getting ready to do a seeding project right here. I've got a really nice stand of Bermuda grass at my office where we're going to do Bermuda videos all throughout the year. And then obviously I've got my tall fescue in my yard, and we do lots of videos there as well. So again, appreciate you watching. I'll check you later.